people, how on a day? How on a day enjoy the jollificate? You know it's your Christmas don't carry you on the waka they go. Now New Year now, now we day. You know say what did they happen be say after Christmas, you enter New Year. And you know say people we don't travel now. All these Igbo people we don't travel. Oh boy, I wish on a Johnny Messi for coming back. Oh, you know it's your. If you see the kind of people we travel, money know they know before where people with the Nigeria they look, especially Igbos. Igbos they try. If you see where they hustle like this, if you can't see where they eat the money, I see your longer throat. If you don't take time, your longer throat will go fall for there. My dear, now so we carry on today. What did happen? We say the night with this so. I can't carry one to record for you. You can't say I want to show you one video where we say people where they travel. Oh boy, see people who no travel for this Christmas, that person they lose. I make you enjoy this video. So person will not travel for this Xmas, that person really lose. Another story I won't give you be say, our better fine girl, Mrs. Ned Nwoko, lovely wife. Not that girl she too fine. Regina Daniel, that girl she too fine. I just come walk up for her. If you see one beautiful photo where she just they post for internet, you go know say this girl she they live fine. Even what thing they happen for the house, so between Ned Nwoko and the community, you know, concern her. See, I tell you, she just live her life, you know. And now wait till I say my carry come, make I show you this lovely picture, make you too see her. You know, is you, my babe, you the jolly. Sorry, we carry me come for this place. We say, and a Nollywood actor, Nollywood superstar, Olu Jacob. You know, the way we're going to see this man this time around, my body no sweet me at all. You no sweet me. Nollywood, I beg, no gonna they help on a colleague. If una see say on a colleague no feel fine, or in pocket no talk well, where in day, or in the sick, I beg go see. Because now that place, honestly say this person don't already become star. And they beg on her, because they contribute hard, they help on herself. Is very, very important. Make you see the lovely photo of this Mr. Olu Jacob. Make you see her. Feel with your eyes. Another one will carry me come be say our superstar Davido. Make you stop this your fight, Music exclusive. Paul O begs Davido, Wizkid and Burna Boy to end their war. Like say, I don't understand this their fight, How can I stop this fight? Because now I be the people where we they look up to. Even the young ones, you know, the young. Now we they look up to. How can I know they fight? How can I stop this on a war? You know fit on at all. Even I want to practice how to they do boxer. On I know we on a go. We're gonna stop her. Now you be waiting with the beg on her for today. This jam I don't too much. I beg. We're gonna stop her. Now so we see her more. My mind just they sweet me, You just they sweet me. Hey. On I know what they make me they happy this time around. I they see that my lovely that girl she's a model. I love her so much. That Nollywood star. See her, you see her curve. Black beauty. You know that girl she tall. When I forget who I talk to. Who else? Messi Johnson. I so much like that girl. Messi. I will say I get close to you. Oh my God. I go make you my friend. When I see that girl, she they try. That Messi Johnson a real wife material. And they always like to follow her up. I mean when I see these beautiful photos of her when she just posts, you know, birthday thing. Tori follow come today. make you no forget say na me be your friend Ike Joy, or you can still call me IK Joy. Now I carry the tori they call your domot today. They yam you so that make you just a big jolly. So what you happen be say you will see where the right subscribe button there. Make you click that subscribe button, click am, go the corner, you go see where there is small bell. Click on that bell. And don't forget to share, like, and also give me a good comment. Thank you very much. No insult. Bye.